Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a product that promises to transform your Apple Watch experience. The luxury transparent watch case and watch band mod kit. This kit is designed for 44mm and 45mm Apple Watch Series 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and SE, offering a unique way to personalize your wearable. Let's unbox this and see if it lives up to the luxury claim. First impressions? The packaging is sleek and minimalist, hinting at the aesthetic the mod kit aims for. Inside, we find a transparent case, the silicone strap, and a small tool for easy installation. The case itself is crystal clear, showcasing the Apple Watch's original design while adding a layer of protection. The material feels surprisingly robust, not flimsy like some cheaper transparent cases. The silicone band is smooth and flexible, promising comfortable all-day wear. The included tool is a nice touch, simplifying the process of attaching the band to the case. Now, let's talk installation. It's remarkably straightforward. The case snaps onto the Apple Watch seamlessly, fitting snugly without adding excessive bulk. The band then attaches to the case using the provided tool, ensuring a secure connection. The entire process takes just a few minutes, even for someone who isn't particularly tech-savvy. With the mod kit installed, the Apple Watch takes on a whole new look. The transparency of the case allows the watch face to shine through, while the silicone band adds a sporty yet refined touch. It's a great way to change up your style without completely obscuring the Apple Watch's original design. I've been wearing this for a few days now, and I'm impressed with how comfortable it is. The silicone band is gentle on the skin, and the case doesn't add any noticeable weight. But how does it hold up in everyday use? Surprisingly well. The case provides decent protection against scratches and bumps, and the silicone band has shown no signs of wear and tear. I've even worn it during workouts, and it's held up perfectly. The transparent design does attract fingerprints, but they're easily wiped away with a soft cloth. One thing to note is that the transparent case might not be for everyone. It does highlight any dust or debris that gets trapped underneath, so you might find yourself cleaning it more often than you would traditional watch band. However, I personally think the sleek, minimalist look is worth the extra effort. Overall, this luxury transparent watch case and watch band mod kit is a fantastic way to personalize your Apple Watch. It offers a unique aesthetic, comfortable wear, and decent protection, all at a reasonable price point. If you're looking for a way to refresh your Apple Watch's look without breaking the bank, I highly recommend checking this out. It's a simple yet effective way to make your wearable truly your own. Let me know in the comments what you think of this mod kit and what other Apple Watch accessories you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.